If you don't know what are game engines or you want one to make games but don't know which one to choose, this video should help you lead in the right direction. Making games can be hard, but with a proper game engine it can be easy. So we come across our first question that you should know is, what is a game engine? And the answer is, a game engine is a software used to make games. It is the foundation for making games. It is similar as the foundation for a building. It doesn't make sense if a building does not have a foundation, and if the building does not have a foundation, then it will not stay in its position. So a game engine tells the computer system to render graphics, add physics, check collision, and many more. Without it, you cannot make games. So we come to the next decision: what game engine an aspiring developer should choose? And the answer is, well, it depends. You see, there are a lot of game engines, and the most popular ones are Godot and GameMaker Studio are used mainly for making 2D games, but there is also an option for 3D. Godot is an open source software, whereas GameMaker is free to download, but you may need to buy a license to access other features too. Then comes Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is an open source software. It is mainly used for high and end 3D games. It uses high graphics quality and it may not be capable of running on low-end graphics system. It was created by Epic Games, and that's where Fortnite was created. And I'll personally not recommend to choose Unreal, as this may be complicated for beginners. But after getting some experience, you can move on for Unreal Engine. And the next game engine is what I personally use, and it is my favorite, and that is Unity. You know why I like Unity is because it is an open source, free, user-friendly software, and it is used for making both 2D and 3D games. It can run on a 4GB RAM system and with an average graphics, and it can run on a 4GB RAM system and with average graphics. That's what I have, and it uses C# as its programming language. Lastly, because of its diversity, you see there are lots of people using Unity, and you will find a lot of tutorials on YouTube. If you have any doubt, you can just ask it on their website and there will be a quick response by the fellow developers. There are a lot of games made by Unity, and that's the reason why most indie game developers choose Unity at the starting point. And I would also recommend Unity for beginners too. So now I hope you know more about game engines, and make sure you search more about the popular game engines and choose one on your knowledge of programming languages, whether it is C# or C++ or Java, and choose the right one for you. I hope this video helped you out choosing a game engine. If then you do so, drop a like. If not, then dislike. And lastly, go subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video. Till